Today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Tillson T3 indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Tillson T3 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 81 different strategies. We've tested a total of 882 indicators, and we've tested a total of 81 different indicators in the retesting stage. If you are interested in the full list of the strategies and indicators that we have tested with their win rates and number of trades and so on, then we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets that you'll get when you become a patron of the channel. Also, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Tillson T3 indicator. Currently, it is down here on the bottom screen right here. Now, on its default setting, it is up here with price action like this. And the line weight is a little bit smaller, and I changed the green and red to a little bit more of a vibrant color there. And so I've just bumped up the line weight of these in here, as you can see, and made the colors a little bit more vibrant so that way they're easier to see. And then what I did was I went to move to pane below like this here. Makes it just easier to spot when we get the change in the coloration of the T3 line. And so the setup on this, the way we tested it in the original testing, was when the T3 line went red, that was a signal to go short. When the T3 line went green, that is a signal to go long. So for example, you see that the T3 line here turns red there. We get a nice move to the downside. You can see it over here. T3 turns green, and we get a nice push to the upside. So that's how we tested it in the original video, and that's how we tested it here in the advanced testing. Now, in the original testing, it did 72% with 22 trades in the 1 year's time. So we did keep this on a daily time frame, and so therefore we kept the take profit and stop the same as we normally would, the default take profit and stop. So before we take a look at the numbers on this, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Even if the indicator doesn't maintain that 60% criteria that we're looking for, please don't give the video a thumbs down. It makes YouTube unhappy, and we definitely want to keep YouTube happy, and we do that by giving the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So in the advanced testing, we did 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades, and we got 22 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 56% win rate now. And so unfortunately, it does drop us below that 60% that we're looking for, so it is going to go on the no list. Now, if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we've developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with the same thumbnail. And the strategy, like I said, is a profitable trading strategy that we have tested. We have tested on many different markets, quite a few different ways. We are constantly tweaking it, making small changes and optimizing it. We're also working on automating the trading strategy. And so hopefully that'll be something we release here soon. And once we do, the current patrons of the channel will get a discounted version of that. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, that's it for this one here. We're going to go ahead and cut the video now and move on to the next video.